Hello and welcome to this new Next.js tutorial. In this video, we will learn about routing in Next.js. In any web application, routing means deciding what content or page to display when a user visits a specific URL. For example, if the user goes to /, they should see the home page. If they visit /about, they should see the about page. And if they visit /contact, they should see the contact page. In Next.js, routing is file-based. This means the file and folder structure inside your project automatically defines the routes. No need for an external routing library. Next.js actually gives us two ways to handle routing. The first one is the pages router, which is the older system. It works inside the pages folder, and here each file directly represents a route. For example, if you create a file called about.js inside the pages folder, it automatically becomes available at /about. The second system is the app router, which is newer and was introduced in Next.js 13. It works inside the app folder, and in this case, each folder represents a route. By convention, each route must have a page.js file inside it. If you are using TypeScript, that file can also be page.tsx. For example, if you create a folder called about inside app, and then add a file called page.tsx inside it, that route will automatically become /about. Since we are working with Next.js 15, we will use the app router approach. Let's try a practical example. Inside the app folder, there is already a file called page.tsx. This file represents the default route, which is the home page. Let's open it and export a simple component that displays a title saying home page. After that, go to your terminal and run npm run dev to start the server. Then open your browser at localhost 3000, and as you can see, it shows the home page. Now let's add another route. Inside the app folder, create a new folder called dashboard, and inside it, create a file named page.tsx. In this file, export a component that displays the text dashboard page. Now if you go to your browser and visit dashboard, you will see the dashboard page. Let's do the same for an about page. Create an about folder inside app, then add a page.tsx file inside it, and export a component with the text about page. Now if you visit /about in your browser, you will see the about page. So the idea is simple. In the app router, the folder name becomes the route name, and inside each folder you must have a page.tsx file. If you are using plain JavaScript instead of TypeScript, you can name your files page.js or page.jsx. Finally, what happens if you try to visit a route that doesn't exist, for example /contact with a typo? By default, Next.js will display a 404 error page. And that's the basics of routing in Next.js using the app router. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.